Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, in this particular video, we are going to be discussing the trend Alexcud indicator. All right, for more clarity, I'm just going to be writing the name of the indicator right here. Okay, so the name of the indicator is the trend Alexcud indicator. Okay, now the indicator is a custom indicator, so of course you have to download it and then you have to add it to your MetaTrader indicators library before you will be able to use it on your chart. Okay, now this is how the indicator looks like. Right, this is how the indicator looks like. It's quite a straightforward indicator. Forget about the complexities that it is seeming to present, but it's quite a straightforward indicator. Right, now this particular indicator is an indicator developed by Alexander Kudimov in 2007. All right, and this indicator helps to identify market trends. Okay, it helps to identify market trends. Now, this indicator uses multiple time frames. All right, it uses multiple time frames, the 1 hour, the 4 hours, and the daily time frame to be precise. All right, as we can see that it identifies the time frames that the signals are being given on: 1 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame, and the daily time frame. And in addition to the multiple time frame function, the indicator also uses, a moving average principle, right, to generate buy and sell signals. Okay, in order for you to be able to make informed trading decisions. Okay, so as we can see, this indicator is displayed in a separate window, the indicator window below the chart, below the candlesticks chart, right? And the indicator gives you clear buy and sell signals with the aid of these arrows. Okay, so when you've got an arrow, it shows that when you've got a red arrow pointing downwards, it shows that it is a sell signal. When you've got a blue arrow pointing upwards, it shows that it is a buy signal. So let us confirm the signals that we are getting right now. Okay, so we can see that the 1 hour is currently telling us that, okay, we formerly had a buy signal, and we are still having a sell signal even on the 1 hour, because the dominating signals are sell signals on the 1 hour. All right, and even the percentage, we can see the percentage of the signal is telling us 50%. That is for the downward arrow, right? And then on the 4 hours, we're having even a higher percentage, 62.5%. And then on the daily time frame, we have 62.5%. So this is actually a bearish trend. Yeah, this indicator has confirmed that this is a bearish trend. So whether you are trading on the daily time frame or your 4 hour time frame or the 1 hour time frame, you should be looking for sell opportunities. All right, unless if you want to trade against the trend. Yeah, because this indicator has identified that this trend is actually bearish, and we can even confirm that by looking at the chart, the main chart. We can see that the asset is actually in a bearish trend currently. Okay, we can see how the bearish momentum is actually prevailing on this Euro USD chart. All right, now when you want to enter a trade, right, having identified the direction of the trend, right, as the indicator tells us the direction of the trend, then I'm going to recommend using extra tools for confirmation. For example, when you have identified that this is a bearish trend which is formed by lower highs and lower lows, right, look for precise entry points. Okay, look for precise entry points on your chart. For example, you can look for bearish candlestick patterns. Watch out for chart patterns or bearish candlestick patterns that signify a sell move. Okay, and make use of horizontal support and resistance zones. I always emphasize on how important these zones are on your chart. You might not know how important it is until you experience it, right? There are situations whereby these zones are going to tell you ahead of time when you should enter or when you should exit, and you're going to thank yourself later if you used these levels to either enter or exit, because you know, indicators are lagging, right? Indicators follow price. So most of the times, indicators give you signal later than when the signal ought to be given. So if you have a sell signal, let's say you ought to sell around here, or a sell move is about to start, right? Indicator will not give you a sell signal immediately that sell move is starting. It will likely give you, let's say, maybe some pips away. So if you are the type of trader that looks for sniper entries, then indicator is not exactly your best option, all right, for entry signals. If you are looking for sniper entries, then indicators may not give you sniper entries. Yeah, they can give you good entry points, right, good exit points, but sniper entries are not exactly given by indicators, right? Because, you know, they would have to adjust, the indicators themselves would have to adjust to the current price movement for them to give you signals, right? So when you are using horizontal support and resistance zones, when price is about to get rejected around that zone, you can watch out for the price behavior around that zone. Now, when the trend Alexcud indicator has told you that it's a sell trend, or the current move is a sell move, watch out for the reaction of price around a resistance zone or around a support zone, because there could be a breakout, right? So watch out for price reaction around a resistance zone. When you have a possible, you know, formation of bearish candlestick pattern, you can go to a smaller time frame actually to make your confirmations. For example, we can see here, this is the 15-minute time frame to get precise entries. If you the type of trader that looks for sniper entries, then you will be doing yourself a favor if you go to smaller time frames to get precise entry points. So we can see that we had a bearish candlestick pattern around here on the 15 minutes time frame, and we can see that this would have been a great place to enter a sniper sell entry, right? And after we had done that, we can see that the price actually got rejected from that resistance and the price dropped further to this point. So if we had entered a sell here and set a tight stop loss just some pips away from the resistance, we would have even had a very, very nice risk to reward ratio, because let's say we are risking about 30 pips, right? And we are targeting the next support zone. Let's say we are targeting, even if it is here we are targeting, right, we would have been getting somewhere around 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. But if we're targeting this support, we should be getting around 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. So that's actually a great catch, right? So you can see that the benefits of support and resistance levels are really, 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 really high, right? Now, coming back to our trend Alexcud indicator, the indicator, remember, gives you the direction of the trend. It educates you, or rather it informs you. Yeah, it informs you on the direction of the trend, and once you have gotten the direction of the trend, then you have to look for your precise entry points, okay, and you can look for your precise exit points, because I'm not going to recommend waiting for a buy signal from this indicator before exiting your sell, right? You can use other indicators, for example, to exit your sell, or you can decide to wait for you know, price to get to support levels and use that to exit your sell. Then in the case of a buy, you know, the reverse is the case. When you get a buy signal from the trend Alexcud indicator, you can enter a buy trade after getting your confirmations, and after that you can go ahead and set your stop loss below swing low, the nearest swing low, and then your take profit levels can be at resistant levels, or you can use other indicators such as the moving averages. Perhaps if you're using the moving average to confirm your exit, then you can just wait for when the price drops below the moving average. Now, in the case of a sell, just have to wait for when price climbs above the moving average, and there you go. There you have it. Really easy, right? But make sure you always observe good risk management. It is very necessary, okay? Do not trade an amount you can't afford to lose, and make sure you always use good risk to reward ratios, minimum of 1 to 2, and do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in one particular trade. It is very important. If you want to be successful in the long run, you have to pay attention to good risk management. So that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading. I wish to see you in the next video.